Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. We're SameMovie, and here we share super helpful tips and tools to make your digital life easier and smarter. Today, we're going to show you a straightforward way about how to save Instagram videos, without any watermark, quickly and easily, using just one simple tool. Are you ready? Let's get started. First of all, download VideoOne downloader from our official website and launch it. When the program is running, you will see thousands of supported platforms. Click More Sites on the upper right corner of the window. Then you'll see Instagram listed right in the recommended bar. You can also scroll down the page to find it below. Now, click Instagram and log into your account. Find your preferred video in Reels or other sections on Instagram. Once it loads, you'll notice the blue Download button in the bottom right corner lights up. Then, click Download and a new dialog box will pop up. Here, you can choose your preferred video and audio formats. SameMovie supports UHD video quality up to 8K, but keep in mind, the final quality depends on the original video and what the platform allows. After that, click Download again, and the video will start downloading, completely free of any watermark. Once your downloads are done, head over to the Library tab to find all your saved videos. Want to watch them right away? Just click any video to play it instantly. Need to locate the file on your computer? Simply click the folder icon, and the output folder will open automatically. And that's it, saving Instagram videos without a watermark is that easy with VideoOne. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and drop a comment if you have any questions or want us to cover more tips like this. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.